Here, Jason for the Hagbayon channel. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. My stream got interrupted trying to actually go live. So, if you wanna join me? I'm just adjusting the camera. Or, as I said, this is my first time. So, how are you there? Howdy. How are you there? Here in southern Luzon, here in Bicol, in the Philippines, Naga City uh, is now in modified GCQ. Again, modified GCQ. For those who are from Naga, how do you feel about that? They're actually back in modified GCQ. How about the fans of Easy Meal? How are you there? The mayor of Cebu is now saying that he's going to give Easy Meal some time, no, some time to. Oh, there's something wrong with my connection. It's on and off, and sometimes I go offline. I go offline. Which do you prefer during this pandemic? City life or country life? City life or country life? Post on the comments below. If ever you're there, which do you prefer? City life or country life during this pandemic? I'm here in the barrio, and I expect to do a lot of things here, especially do a lot of vlogging activities as well. I'll be um, vlogging about country life in terms of food, I guess. I'll be taking footages of some of my foraging activities, nearby foraging activities. Uh, I will not be going so far from where I am, from where I am located now. And perhaps some guitar videos as well. Gonna be recording some videos while outdoors. So, perhaps play some to figure out. And yes, of course, hiking, camping activities, and as we said, foraging the forest. And mm, research on Filipino martial arts, particularly the Cimarron fighting arts. I'll be posting videos about them soon. Also something about blades. I got a really tiny beagle blade. I'm gonna do a review of it. Watch out for it when it finally comes out. When I finally post it. I finally post it. Watch out for the review that I will make of a really tiny beagle blade. Smallest blade in my collection, the Cimarron Armory, the smallest blade ever produced by the Minas Badshap, or the TMS. And perhaps some plinking activities, some plinking using my my air gun, my air pistol, etc. While I'm out here, you can actually hear the ambient sound out here, and you'll notice that nocturnal creatures are actually making music as well. So how are you? How are you right now? Howdy. How are you in this pandemic? And Naga City is once again in modified GCQ. And for the fans of Easy Meal, what's up? What's the update? I heard the mayor of Cebu has decided to just give him time to actually revise or modify his lyrics in the viral performance of his, that is the Panalo performance. Also, how are you there, mga ka-preppers? Which do you prefer during the pandemic? City life, or uh, country life? Feel free to comment down below, to post your comments down below. What type of music do you actually like? As I said earlier, I've been trying to figure out some songs that I've been thinking about uh, recording or playing. I'm actually thinking about what? I'm actually thinking about um, Phantom of the Opera. Pardon the dog. We have a companion here. Companion. She won't stop. Huh? Shh. Hey, it's ruining my style. Shh. I'm gonna make him leave. Excuse me. You ruined my style tonight. Making so much mess. He sometimes would join me in my forage anyway. Hey, what type of music do you like? Actually, won't stop. Maybe he's sensing some people out there. Let me check. Let me check. there are some people foraging for uh, ugama or those little up here in the farm. That's why that dog was really noisy, barking at them. Oh, how are you there? Howdy. This is my first time to be live. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. And how are you? How are you? And it's once again modified GCQ in Naga City and operations for the new quarantine level or quarantine calibration or graduation. Hello, hello. And sa mga fans ni Easy Mill, um, the mayor of Cebu has decided to just give him some time to revise his lyrics. What do you think? Which do you prefer during this pandemic? Country life or city life? Feel free to comment down below. And what type of music do you like? Before that dog actually ruined my style, I was thinking of playing Phantom of the Opera. I'm gonna be recording a version of Phantom of the Opera, my rendition of it at least, outdoors. Um, outdoors. Been trying to play it. So let's try to play a rendition of it tonight. Yeah, Phantom. Hi. Hi, Weng. Nag-try lang ako mag-live. Just trying to play live. Version of Phantom of the Opera, but the dog is really noisy because if there are people foraging out there, foraging for ugama tonight, soon I'll be doing the same. Oh, so there, what type of music do you like? Okay, how are you there? Anywhere in the world, wherever you are in the world. It's once again modified GCQ in Naga City. And for the fans of Easy Meal, what can you say about the decision of the Cebu Mayor to give him more time to actually revise his lyrics and no longer declare him persona non grata right there and then? And for my prepper friends, which do you prefer during this pandemic? City life or country life? What type of music do you like also? Let's try this one. Familiar? It's actually from Santana. Some parts of the Santana song. I've been trying to play it my own way. Oh, it's difficult to play live sometimes, but it's easier for me when it's electric guitar. I have no classical training, but let me see. Yeah. What are the other things to do while hiking? While when you are while you are outdoors, aside from cooking your food out there, camping out there, what are the other things you could actually do? You can relic pick like me, since I am in a place that used to be a World War II battle site. You can I relic pick. I try to look for relics like this machine gun, 50 caliber machine gun slugs. You know, really nice to Relic pick these things without using um, any metal detector. These are already the slugs, not any more ammunition, because these are this has been fired long time ago during the war. Really cool, huh? Oh, see, this one is damaged because it must have hit a rock or something hard, like perhaps something metallic. Really don't know. These are machine gun slugs, World War II. No longer ammunition because these are no longer attached to a casing with gunpowder. No longer a complete ammunition because when you say ammunition, it has to be attached to gunpowder, casing with gunpowder. I have lots today. It's been a success lately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, I have 10 actually. Really cool, huh? Oh, it's 11. 11, huh? 11. You can relic pick. Just had my air pistol repaired because it failed me a few days ago. It's working. I have my CO2 cylinder with me, and my ginunting. I'll be using this hiking, etc. This is however made of Maravical scabbard, so I really don't intend to make this as my carry blade whenever I am outdoors, because sayang. Maravical is really rare. It's quite rare, so sayang naman. I'd rather just keep it and make sure it's in mint condition. I'll also be looking for remnants of the so-called Cimarron Arnis. And perhaps I could tell you about the Cimarron Arnis soon, once you know, I actually get to interview some members of the Cimarron tribe, the Cimarron IP, or indigenous peoples, or members of the Cimarron IP. Here in Mount Isaro, we have the Agta Cimarron group. So many members of the Cimarron tribe here at Mount Isaro. So perhaps we could ask them about the Cimarron Arnis. Who knows? Apparently, I've been looking at the wrong spot, so I should be looking here. And perhaps I could also make take footages of some World War II sites in the area, and some more relics in the area. And what about we read a poem right now? Something, you know, something to pass our time. This one is called, oh come on, it's gone. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. This one's called, Kung isip ko sintay, may mga galamay. When you're outdoors, there are a lot of things you can do. You can write, you can also ruminate, you can philosophize, and record music or write poems and recite them, record them. This one is called, as I said, Kung isip ko sintay may mga galamay. Kung isip ko sintay may mga galamay, kahit kamandiri ay pupuluputan. Kahit katumikom, pilit nahahagkan. Kahit nahihiya, ikaw ay sisigaw. Pipikit, uungol, at magkikikisay. Kung isip ko sintay, may mga galamay, habang sinasamba kita't ginagalang sa aking harana, patakyat ng ligaw. Kung isip ko sintay, may mga galamay. So how are you there? How are you wherever you are in the world, as Paul Sapiera would say? How are you, howdy, wherever you are in the world? Naga City is once again in modified general community quarantine. What are your preparations in case what? In case the graduation of the quarantine is once again made stricter. So, how about the fans of Easy Meal? What can you say about the decision of the give him time to revise his rap for his performance in Panalo? And mga ka-preppers, which do you prefer during this pandemic, city life or country life? Feel free to comment down below. And again, what type of music do you actually like? Let's try something relaxed. This one goes out to the one I love. This one goes out to the one I left behind. Simple thought to occupy my time. This one goes out to the one I love. Fire, fire. This one goes out to the one I love. This song goes out to the one I left behind. A simple thought, occupy your time. This song goes out to the one I love. Fire. Shortcut. There. Let's read some more poems. Let's look for more poems. Poetry naman tayo. Let's have something nice. I don't know, maybe a poem by me? Let's figure. Just read the poem entitled Kung isip ko sintay may mga galamay. this one. I hope it's here though. It's called Latay ng Labi. What's here? Latay ng Labi. Ang umiibig daw dapat ay marahan. Rosas daw ay rosas, tinig may tahimik. Ang rubdob ng dibdib kahit walang ngalan, bumubukal parit, mutawi sa dibdib. Ang umiibig daw kahit pa lumayo, o kaya'y humakbang sa hukay o dilim. Higit na malapit ang bulong ng puso, kaysa sa pagsiping na gitna ay talim. Ang umiibig daw minsan ay marahas, ang yakap ay tulak, ang awit ay sumpa. Tulad daw sa lasing na dila ay alak, ang naninibughoy, punyal ang salita. Kaya pa umanhit lumatay ang labi, pagkat ang mithi ay halik ang idampi. So it's a Valentine's Day poem. It's a Valentine's Day poem. Again, it's a love month once again. How are you there? Everywhere in the world. Comment down below. Once again, it's modified GCQ in Naga City. Yeah, right? Modified General Community Quarantine. And to the fans of Easy Meal, what can you say about the decision of the mayor to actually just give him time to revise his rap and no longer declare him persona non grata right there and then? And sa mga ka-preppers, which do you prefer during this pandemic? City life or country life? And what type of music do you actually like? Let's try some e-hits. What's the chorus of that song anyway? It's a magazine, you know. It might be okay to play it tonight.
Nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana'y hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema, pagkat kulang ang pera. Dali-dali ang binuglat at ako'y lumulat sa hubad ng katotohanan. Kasi iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin, nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana'y hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema, pagkat kulang ang dalawang pera. Iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin, nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana'y hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema, pagkat kulang ang dalawang pera. Pambili, pambili sa mukha mong maganda. Nasaan ka na kaya? Sana ay masaya, sana sa susunod na issue ay centerfold ka na.
Good old e-heads. Good old e-heads. Let's try some more, perhaps some love poems. Ano, kasi it's actually love month. Let's try, if I can find the poem. I hope to be able to find it. Mm, I hope so. I'm looking for a poem. Nah, maybe I should Google it instead. Just Google it. Mm, one of our great poets, Idelfonso Santos. I hope to you know, the verses for Idelfonso Santos. Check this out. This was written by Idelfonso Santos in 1897. Tama? Tama ba? Parang, okay. Sa tabi ng dagat by Idelfonso Santos. Marahang manaog kairog at katay lalakad, maglulunoy katang payapang payapa sa tabi ng dagat. Di na kailangang sapnan pa ang sibuyas, ang daliring garing at sakong nawari kinuyom na rosas. Manunulay kata habang maaga pa sa isang pilapil na nalalatagan ng damong may luha ng mga bituin, patiyad na tayo ay maghahabulang simbilis ng hangin, ngunit walang ingay. Hanggang sa sumapit sa tiping buhangin pagdating sa tubig, nini gaganyakin kata sa nangaroong mga lati. Doon ay may tahong talabat halaang kabigha-bighani. Hindi kaya natin mapuno ang buslo bago tumanghali. Pagdadapit hapon, katay magbabalik sa pinanggalingan. Sugatan ang paa at sunog ang balat sa sikat ng araw. Talagang ganoon, sa dagat man irog ng kaligaya, lahat pati puso ay na. Michael Carosa's reading of that is a lot more superior than than my reading. I posted a video of Cirilo Bautista's poem Patalin. Oh, you might wanna check it out. Really nice, huh? All these relics. World War II battle site, and you can still find things like this more than 70 years ago, or after, more than 70 years after. Right now, I have, I think, around 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 relics. Oh my god. Still around. Bullets must have rained here because some people actually think that some portions of the Yamashita treasure, you think it actually exists. In one pleading by the Marcoses, they alleged that they should not be charged for corruption because the money that they have deposited at the Swiss account is actually from the Yamashita treasure. They claim to have found the Yamashita treasure. Do you believe there is such a treasure? Yeah, do you believe there is such a treasure? Okay, feel free to comment down below. And also, how are you again? Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. First time to actually go live. And how are you? It's once again modified GCQ in Naga City. What can you say about it? What can you say about the decision of the Cebu Mayor to just give the young rapper, time to revise his performance of Panalo? What can you say? And to my prepper friends, which do you prefer during this pandemic? City life or country life? As you see, I'm in the country. I'm in the countryside, and I plan to enjoy the countryside. I'll be posting videos in my blog about my adventures. My TMS followers, you will also get some treat because I'll be featuring a review of a really small Bicol knife, and of course some points about the performance of this blade, of that blade. Some music. What type of music do you actually like? I'll be posting a performance or my rendition of The Phantom of the Opera. Rendition while outdoors. Earlier I posted, years ago, I posted in this channel some gigs, some poetry gigs where my band would also perform the Super Poet Genome Project. So you might also want to check my posts long ago and actually try to enjoy the events I used to organized long time ago. I used to open the gigs with this particular anthem song. Di kami papayag, walang makatasalip. Di kami papayag, walang makatasalip. Hindi, 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 di kami makakapayag. Wala na namang tula sa Inquirer Magazine. Wala na namang tula sa Inquirer Magazine. Walang tula sa ating balita. Kami papayag, walang makatasalip. Di kami papayag, walang makatasalip. Papayag, magazine. Walang ating balita. Oh, hi there. Hello pa group. May nag-live pa. Ay, may nag-ano pa. You're there actually. So, what type of music do you like? Are you into FMA? Soon I'll be interviewing some members of the Cimarron tribe. So, we could actually showcase their martial arts, the Cimarron Arnis. The Cimarron Arnis. Hi there, More, Ronald Dilio, and yeah, there. Moonlight Star OFW Life. Okay, yun. Nandito kayo. Okay. So, live, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. How sure if you are an Agueño, what is your preparation? And what can you say about it? And for the fans of Easy Meal, the mayor of Cebu has decided to actually just give the young rapper time to revise his performance of Panalo and no longer declare him persona non grata. What can you say about it? For my prepper friends also, during this time, the pandemic, which do you prefer? City life or country life? Feel free to comment down below. And what type of music do you actually like? I've been trying my hand at some sounds here. In a best singer, but I sing for a word music band, mean to say spoken word.
Ako'y di magbabago, ngunit bakit
I'm really sorry. I've not been playing that for a while. Yeah, no, let's try. So that may iba man kitang doing something. Let's try something na lang muna by, perhaps by River Maya.
tuwing ating imposibleng mapatawa sa akin ang ikaw ay maitay sa kalayaan, kaya tayo'y
Well, thank you for that because I totally forgot the chords. You should understand playing guitar for years, and when I resumed playing, I decided to play instrumental classical guitar because it's a nice, it's a nice evening. It's a nice evening. And Mount is around. Repaired so that I could also be testing the performance of my ginunting here. Uh, Native Bicol blade and handmade here in Bicol. The scabbard is marabical, very rare. As I said, I got around when you're high, sure, you can talk to people and be appraised of the culture right about it. And aside from, I also like to talk about World War II past of I am now. And I like to gather relics like this. You can still find them 70 years, more than 70 years after. And I think we you know what I think? This area of Mount Isarog should be, you know, there's a landmark already to shrine of sorts, signifying Filipino-Japanese friendship. But I think there should be city of Pili also, commemorate the events here during the war, so that we won't forget who were the key players during the war in this area. Who were the actually we have a list of who they are. That would be really great for our heritage, for our history. Uh, in this part of Pili, the American officer was instrumental in in the campaign against the Japanese imperial forces. Was a person named Curry. So there's a place here in this area of Pili or Mount Isarog, Kuri. So, Kuri. localized pronunciation. When you hike, you get uh, uh, learn about these details and write about them. In my case, I write about it. Ordinary people can just post about it on FB. Um, let's have because I hope I. By the way, I posted where my band, the videos, their performances by my friends. They're they're nice to watch. You rarely get to watch those kinds of events. I don't know if I still remember the lyrics though. I'm really a heavy metal player, but I appreciate our folk songs. Si nanay, si tatay, di ko babayaan. Kuyang utang, sipag dalas ako, kisiyam na bulan, katas na pigso-so, di ko mabayaan. Umalik, parang makaarog sa kong ugali. Ay nanay, tatay, kung ako maot, pugutan kibayo, undog sa laot. Kung makiling mo ay nanay, ay tatay, sagop naman tulos. Kansadit ako, sadit ka pa man, kinudot mo ako, kinudot na ka man, ang simbag mo sa kwan. Hain ka ang kudutan sa kuyang iromdom, kaya wag kong mada ang kudo niyan. Kansadit pa ako, sadit ka pa man, nagkakrawat kita ng kudutan. Kinudot mo ako, kinudot kakaman, ang simbag mo sa ko, luway, luway man. Ain ka kaya kakawat kong madaya, ang kudutan sa kuyang giromdom. Ain ka na kaya kakawat kong madaya, ang kudutan bigahanap ko ngunya. cobblestone. Bayan ko. Soon I'll be when I go online live soon. I'll prepare some songs. Not like this. I'm just playing around. And since I've been playing only solo classical, I've not been practicing my songs or the songs that I used to play.
Itanim mo sa pangarap ang iyong minimiti, at ito'y iyong dalhin. Itanim mo sa pangarap at ito ay lalaki, ikaw din ang aani. Hayaan mong lumipad ang isip sa lawak ng langit. Ito'y umaawit, ito'y nagsasabi, mangarap ka, mangarap ka. Umahon ka, umahon ka mula sa putik ng iyong mundo. Itanim mo sa pangarap ang iyong minimiti, at ito'y iyong dalhin. Itanim mo sa pangarap at ito ay lalaki, ikaw mangarap. You're umahon ko. Ayan mong lumipad ang isip sa lawak ng langit. Ito'y umaawi, nagsasabi, mangarap ka.
Hagbayon channel. My first time to go live, so this is a test. How are you there? Please free. Thanks for being here for those who are supporting this channel. Fans of Easy Meal, what can you say about the decision of the mayor of Cebu I prefer city life or country life. If you are into FMA, if you're interested soon, I'll be posting about the Cimarron armies. And if you're into prepping, my plastic and just had my air pistol repair air rifle earlier, and I I could have it. Really, uh, a rifle doesn't require a suit for the air rifle, and you can even make your own bullets or your own pellets. And during a pandemic, perhaps if you cannot go to the city, you can actually just hunt for prepping. And that's a channel you haven't been to, but I've been hearing really good stuff about that place. From vloggers, it's the best resort in Pili, the Hinupa Resort. Um, they said it's very near the majestic Mount Isarog. Kumbaga, it's the resort that's I've been hearing the foreigners also already visited the place. There was a German foreigner, a German national who actually went there last year, and they actually after after enjoying the water at the Inupat resort, they went resort. I heard you can go hike and visit the waterfalls at the majestic Mount Isarog. So if you are in the Philippines, go to Bicol. Of course, after the pandemic. But if you're in Bicol, if you're in Kamsul, go to Hinupa. Go to Hinupa Resort. Visit that resort. What's this? Sounds like Metallica. 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 It's too heavy. It's too heavy for comfort. The dog ruined my style when I was trying to play a version of Phantom of the Opera. Let's try it again. my at least my version of it or my rendition. Called the Spectator. Nice evening. Some other time. Something. Binag mo ako sa ibig sa'yo na di ka mahipo pag-ibig na ito. Ibo-ibo ang ikawan ko, ang ikawan kalias. Yung lahat na tunay na mahinto. Ikaw ang dumaang buwang isanos. May yung magdamot ang unang bubungan. Paalam! Ibo! Yaya mo akong mamasyal sa Cebu. Ang sabi mo kasi kailangan mo ng kasama. Sumama naman ako kasi crush kita noon pa. Kung sa bagay gusto ko na rin alam mo na. Nag-enjoy ka. Tawa ka pa nga ng tawa eh. Kwento mo. That song is funny, you know, Yano has this mahal ka ba niya talaga? Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. My first time to go live. This is a test, but actually a prolonged test, and I'm doing things here. This is a test and even unrehearsed. Even the guitar playing, my guitar music here is unrehearsed. Where's my notes? Anyway, parting shot. Thanks for joining me, especially those who went online earlier and who gave support to this channel and to the other channels that are out there. Lady Cimarron, Hinupa channel, Alvin of Ball Trades, Wabok Ngai, what else? Teams channel, and of course Japper, Sniper, and Pinoy Urban Tactical, Jose Rizal 2, may Tokayo Jason Antique, um, Pia's channel, Weng's channel, my friend Weng, groups soon. Itak Antipol, usually also feature some friends with me. You know, we'll go live together and we'll be discussing things that are relevant to the theme of the Hagbayon channel. You know, martial arts, blade culture, outdoors, hiking, etc. Uh, Soon I'll be collaborating with my friends, my other uh, following the old school format of YouTube. Not much editing. The what YouTube used to be. Don't forget any more ammunition because well, right. Uh, Performance for 4 years. I used I used I'm by the way a guitarist and I'm uh, singing those songs for for quite some. And thanks for joining me to those who gave support earlier and those who will give support once again. I'm sure you'll stick around and be safe and you may be really, really busy but have time to rest, have time to enjoy your life and money or things that actually last eternity, which is self-actualization. Everyone is unique. Every person alive is unique, and we are all with potential to what we can there, and it's also uh, that's also take care of the planet. I hiked and I look at the nature and um, they're very lucky. The planet as it is for our children, generational responsibility. Or, yeah, I'm sure I want to stop streaming because I've been here for a while. Thank you.